Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash stuffing my YouTube paycheck, which actually this month was $17.51. So I just want to give a huge thank you if you watch my videos. Well, if you're watching this video and you watch my other videos, this is all thanks to you. So thank you so much, especially if you watch those ads, because that's how we generate our income. So I really appreciate it. And if you're watching all the way through, even more thank yous. So yes, thank you, because I really appreciate, like, this extra income is just absolutely amazing, and I'm just happy that people enjoy watching my content. So that's super exciting. But I'm going to stuff $17.51. Actually, no, not the complete $17.51, because one of the lovely things about all this social media income is that taxes aren't taken out. So I do have to account for that and set that aside for next year. So I did get $17.51, and taxes I'm putting $5.25 aside. So I'm just gonna make a little note over here. $5.25. It's a nice chunk of change right there. And then I am going to do for my rent, I'm going to do $500 from this payday. All right, so I am left with $726. So that is actually the amount I am stuffing for this week in my wallet and then in my envelopes. So I already figured out my wallet. I'm actually going to do a little bit more than I normally do, because usually I stuff 170. So I put 30 into spending. Groceries, I do 80, eating out 30. I usually do 20 in coffee, but this week I'm gonna do 30 since, you know, it's my YouTube paycheck, and also it's a little bit more. I have a little bit more to use this week, and also because we really like the fall drinks and treats and stuff at Starbucks. Like, we, as in me and my coworkers, we really like those, and we've been ordering a lot more frequently because of it. So I wanted to do a little bit extra into coffee, so I'm going to do $30 this week, to, you know, so we can go a couple more times, or at least one other time than we normally do. And then in buffer, I usually do 10 in there. So that equals out to 180. That's going to go into my wallet for the week. So that one is all good to go. I'm actually going to go into my savings first, because I figure out a couple of these ahead of time. So the roll the dice, I already rolled the dice last week. So I'm just going to write it down here, roll the dice. And that one is going to get $14. Oh, so let me start subtracting. I might forget to subtract, which tends to be a problem because I'm so focused on, like, talking and all the other things that sometimes I forget. But I'm gonna try my best not to forget so I don't mess myself up. That is always the goal in these videos. The next one is the 52 week. So 52 week. And that one, okay, so the next one I have is 5, which is $5. So again, I have a little bit more this week, so I think I want to do 2 of them, so 5 and 10. So that's going to be 15 in the 52 week. Okay. All right, what am I left with? 5, 17. Sorry, my ring light does not allow me to see my calculator very well. Okay, I'm going to come back to this one, but move along to my next binder. Okay, we'll do this one next and just go down the line. All right, so beauty, I think I want to do 30 in here. I don't have anything in here, and I actually need to buy some toner soon, so I want to get some money in there. Clothing, I'm gonna do 20. Content, 15. I actually want to do like an Amazon stationery order and do a video on that, so I need to get that filled up a little bit more, because I have all the items in my cart, so I know how much I need, but just need to save for it. now. So Costco, usually I don't stuff in here, but again, since I have a little bit extra this week, I'm gonna do 10. Usually I'll take my leftover money from groceries, which I think I do have for this week, and I'll just put it in here to build this up. That's what I've been doing. Disney, I don't have any Disney plans for this month, but I want to stuff for next month. So I'm going to do 20. Extra debt is going to get 40. I currently have 95, so we're towards the end of the month, and I'm going to make that payment at the beginning of the month, and like an extra debt payment. Family, I'm just going to do 15 in family. Fun, I'm going to do 20. Still need a tracker in that one, I keep forgetting. I actually spent from this one recently over the week, or during the week. I bought some like macarons at this place I really like out of town for my coworkers. I took that out of my fun money. Holiday decor, I think I'm just gonna do 15 in holiday decor. And home decor, we'll get 15 too. Household, I only have 20, so I'm gonna do 25. Planner stuff, I'm just gonna do 15. So I'm thinking of changing the name of this because I was saving for a planner, but I went to a Happy Planner event during the week, and they actually gave us planners, and I was able to pick a planner that I actually needed for next year. So I don't, like I said, I was saving for that. But I'm thinking of changing this to maybe like hobbies instead of just planner stuff. So that way, like when it comes to like budget stuff, I can buy like cute stuff and do that kind of thing. Since I'm fortunate enough that I do get sent a lot of PR stuff when it comes to planner things. So yeah, I'm thinking of changing that to hobbies. We'll see. Target, I have nothing, so I'm gonna do 25. Okay, so that one's all good. Now on to this one. All right, auto repair. I actually need to go get an oil change soon. My maintenance light just turned on. But I have enough for that, so that's good. So auto repair is gonna get 25. Christmas, I'm gonna do 20. I'm almost at 500 here, so that's pretty good. Electronics is going to get 15. Emergency is gonna get 20. Furniture, I think I'm just gonna do 15 in furniture. Gifts, okay, I have 90, so I'm just gonna make that into 100, so 10. Registration, usually I do 5, but since again I have a little bit more, I'm gonna do 10, double that one this week. So I'm really trying to get to 230. That's my like cutoff point on this one, and then I'm done and I don't have to stuff it anymore. Treat yourself gets the same amount as extra debt, so I'm gonna do 40. I'm trying to pay myself back for an expensive bag that I purchased, so that's why I'm really focusing on this one, because I took money out of my savings and I just want to get it back into my savings as soon as possible. So yeah, that one's gonna get 40. Oh, and I forgot if I subtracted the 40, so I have to rewind the tape. Okay, so I did it, and then I realized I'm like a little to the right, so you can't really see it. I think you can see it. You could see it, but not the best. So yeah, I didn't subtract the 40, so let me subtract the 40 there. Okay, so I'm left with 97. Okay, nice. So back into my pink savings binder, and I'm going to figure out which 100 envelope, which one I'm gonna do in the 100 envelope. I think this week I wanna do 2 because I've been doing that just to try to knock some of these out a little bit quicker. So I think I'm gonna do this 6, and let's make it an even 40. So 6 and 34. 100 envelope, 6 and 34. Okay, so I'm gonna subtract 40 over here. Oh, and I actually forgot about Go Wild, so let me go back to that one. So Go Wild, I'm gonna do 30 this week. Forgot to fill that one in. Okay, so I'm left with $27, and I think I'm gonna go and just put that into savings. 27, so that'll zero me out there. So now I'm going to see about the denominations. I'm actually going to the bank today to pull this out so I can do my cash stuffing. But let's figure out the denominations. All right, so for beauty, we have 30, 20 and a 10, clothing, a 20, content, 15, 10 and a 5, Costco is 10, Disney is 20, extra debt is 40, so 2 20s, family, 10 and a 5, let me just slant this a little bit, sorry, 20, 10 and a 5, 10 and a 5, 10 and a 5, oh wait, no, there's only 2 15s, okay, so then this one, let me just, so I don't confuse myself, because I went to the wrong one, this one's 25 for household, then 10 and 5 for planner stuff. Target is 25, so is auto repair. And then Christmas is 20, electronics is 15, emergency is 20, furniture is 15, gifts is 10, 10 for registration, 2 20s for treat yourself. Go Wild is a 20 and a 10. Roll the dice is 14, so 10, and then 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 52 week is 15. 100 envelope, I'm going to do them separate because I have to put these into their own little envelopes. So first I'm going to do the $6 one, so that's a 5 and a 1. And then 34, so that's 20, 30, and then 4 ones, so that'll be 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then savings, I'm gonna do a mixture of 5s and 10s so I can put them into my $5 and $1 challenges. So I think I'm gonna do, let's see, if I do 27, I can do 15 in 5s, so that's 3, and then I can do 12 in 1s. So I'm just going to do 12 there. Okay, I think that's correct, but we'll see if it is correct at the very end. So in 50s, I have 1, 20s, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20s, 10s, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 10s. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then 1s, we have 12, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 26, I believe. I don't know, I'm kind of like second guessing myself on that. 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 12 is 26. Okay. That is correct. Now for the fun part, adding this all up. So 150 is 50, and then I have I have 18 20s, which 18 times 20 is 360. I have 21 10s, so that's 210. I have 16 5s, which is 80. And then 26. So we'll see if it all totals up correctly. Hopefully it does. 360, 210, 80, and 26 is 726. Yay. Okay, so when I go to the bank today, I'm going to ask for 150, 18 20s, 21 10s, 16 5s, and 26 1s for 7 to get 726 out of the bank today. All right, so that's going to be this budget with me for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button because I will have the cash planning for this on Sunday. I'm sorry, not the cash planning, the cash stuffing for this on Sunday. So definitely check that out. But thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.